guys, I'm back. Mga kalaro. So guys, I'm with my mom and my dog. My mom's and my dog. Here's my mom. And guys, do you know my dog is, her color is sorry guys, her color is brown. Her mother and father died, and her brother and her sister. My dog, she is one of her sister and brother. I love her so much. She's so cute. Nung unang kita ko sa kanya, natuwa ako. Because we have a dog. I want a dog. That's my wish in my birthday. I love a dog. I love dog. I love dog. So guys, I'm gonna be Braintree on my new school. Joke. That's my school. It's Sunrock. Okay. Whose school is that? Comment your school. Here's my dog. Do you see my dog? Okay. My dog. I love her so much. Look.
Love you so much ba yan?
Ang cute niya talaga. Ang
Love
cute.
you so much, pangit.
Ang cute. She's so cute.
Pangit siya ni pangit. Pangit si Awi.
She's so ugly. My mother said.
Awi!
She's so cute. Look at. So guys, that's my dog.